In today's video, I'm doing another quilt block. This was a fun one. This one comes together quick, and also you can use up your scraps, which is always a good thing. So I hope you come along with me and I'll show you how I put this one together. I like the look of these three, so I'm going to go ahead and use these today. Depending on how big you want your quilt to be will determine how many strips you need. For this, I'm just going to cut one strip. I really love this ruler. This is a 6.5 inch ruler. It's just so handy for so many different projects. I am going to cut this at 6 inches. I will need 6 inch by 2.5 inch strips. And if you haven't checked out my cooking channel, I hope you will at Sweet Country Cooking in Michigan. And now with this fabric, I will be cutting a 1.5 inch strip. And now I will take this and cut that into 6 inch pieces. And now with this one, I'm going to need a 1 inch strip. And now I'll take this strip and cut it into 6 inch pieces. Now I have everything to put this together. There's my 2 inch, I've got my 1.5, and then I also have my 1 inch. So this is how I'm going to start this. I'm going to take this middle block right there, put that in the middle, then I'm going to put two of these, the light blue, on each side of that and sew that down. Take that over the sewing machine with a 1/4 inch seam allowance and sew that down. And for one block, you're going to need two of these. And then I'll just sew it on the other side as well. So I started with a 2 inch strip, put the 1.5 on each side of that, and now I'm going to put the 1 inch on each side of this. And now I'll do the other side. And now we're done with the part of sewing right now. We're going to take it over and get it pressed with the iron and move on to the next step. There shouldn't be too much to trim off, but I do like to just hit the edge a little bit and just square them up. And now what you want to do is take your ruler and we're going to cut both blocks exactly the same, just like that. And here's everything we need to make one block. So we're going to take one of them and we're going to put them just like this. And then you're going to grab the other one and do the same thing. And look at the pattern that that makes. How fun. I love when a pattern can be put together like this and it's so simple to do. And now I'll take it over the sewing machine and I'm going to sew it just like that, right on that line. Now grab the other half and do the same thing. Then I just want to cut these apart. Before I sew these together, I am going to give them a press first. And now I will sew both of them together. When you sew them together, you're going to want to match up the seams. If they match perfectly, you will have a perfect fit. On the edge, they won't match. One side will be longer than the other. That's fine. Just make sure you do this, or you just push them together just like that, like a little sandwich. And I would like to point out, you can see how that doesn't quite fit on the edge, but don't worry about that. And another thing, I like to start right here. If you started clear at the end, you may struggle getting it to match. I know they're perfect right now, so I am just going to sew this part down. Once it is done, I will come back and do the other side. And before you do that, you just want to make sure it is just exactly how you want it, so you don't have to use the seam ripper on all of it if you need to change it. I just love the look of that. You could put white border around it, or you could just match them up together. I like to give it a good press before I trim it up, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then you just want to trim each side, and I am trimming this to 7 inches. And here is the finished block. This was a lot of fun to make. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button. And at the end of this video, I'm going to put up a couple of my other videos if you'd like to click on them. And I want to thank you so much for watching today.